We've just moved Lola out of the pen and into his own pen. It's a couple days before Frida is due, so I'm with Frida now, and I'm gonna show you guys her hutch, and she's actually already started nesting. Oh. I was really hoping to get some footage of her with hay in her mouth going into her nesting box. I missed it this time, so I'm gonna insert some footage from previous years where she's had pregnancy and I got it on video where she had grass in her mouth. It's super cute. In another day or two, she's gonna start pulling out fur from her body to line her nest. Then right after that, she's gonna have her babies. In my previous video, I said Frida was gonna have her babies on April 11th, but when I looked at my notes, we actually put her and Lola together on March 10th. So she should have her babies on April 10th. I'll update you guys when she has her babies.